This one. So we're on the Grand Princess today. We're up on deck 14, Lido deck 14. And the Grand Princess was built in 1998. Oh, that's a bright light. Making it one of Princess's oldest ship. In fact, it's the oldest ship Princess is still sailing, I think. It's about 107,000 tons. And this is my cabin, and I'm wearing an ocean medallion, right? So ocean medallion, what it does is, when I get near the room, it should unlock the door and say welcome to me and have my picture, which is what it did. Sometimes it works when you're way down the hall, and sometimes you have to fool with it. Anyway, light switches here. It's a pretty small cabin as compared to newer ships. It does have a couple life preservers and a shelf. This is the closet right there. From there to there. Floor space. It does, behind me here, have these shelves and a safe. So, there's that. Let's go in the bathroom first, since it's right here. Of course, it's got that mirror. And the bathroom is not big, of course, but I think it's a little smaller than some ships we've been on recently. Of course, it's got more mirrors, shelves, plug for my shaver, towels, toilet, you know, bathroom stuff. Seems like it should have another light, doesn't it? Anyway, we seem to have an issue here. It has two knobs, one to turn the water on and one to adjust the temperature. And then they've given you some shower gel and some shampoo. Also, like all ships, it has one of these clotheslines that goes across and hooks in there, and you can hang clothes on it. Yeah, that's what a clothesline's for. It has one of these funky little curtains that does not track well. And weird fluorescent light of two different shades. Anyway, that's the bathroom. We're muster station B, which is the crown grill. It's got a thermostat here. There are never numbers on there. It's just, if it's too cold, raise it up. If it's too hot, lower it down. It has one of these huge TVs. Well, this one is pretty big. Queen size bed, they call it. Although it sure seems like the same size as the ones on Carnival, which are king size. No couch. It's got a table, trash can, shelf here. They used to put the TV here, you know, when they had little TVs. This ship was refurbished a couple years ago, though I'm not really sure where they did the work. It's got a little refrigerator here that is not very cold, but we have the drink package, so we probably won't use it very much. Has some drawers. Apparently we have a voicemail. No drawer there. Here is the hair dryer, blow dryer. Got some information, lamps. You should know that both sides, both nightstands, have a USB port. Both nightstands. See, I got my phone plugged in over there. Of course, another mirror, and another mirror, and then the balcony. So it's got solid curtains that you can pull up front. We are in the port of Los Angeles, which of course is San Pedro. And it's got one of these handles where you lift it sideways and then you struggle with it to get it open. That is a big, big heavy door. And I don't know if that's all the more it opens there. This is Janet.
Hi.
Now, this ship has two reclining chairs. We were on a Carnival ship last time, and one chair reclined and one didn't, and a little table, and weird whiny noises. Of course, San Pedro is a seaport. I mean, look around. It's a real seaport. That's the Vincent Thomas Bridge, I believe. And there's the ship's bridge. Crazy, huh? And there's mini suites and suites down below us. Probably on deck 8 or 9. So this balcony seems bigger than it was on Carnival.
Yes.
I actually have room to move around. But that's about it. I mean, there's not much else to see. You can put your suitcases under the bed. I don't know if you know that or not. But once you empty them out, slide them under the bed, right? My TV has a picture of us. And, well, from the Grand Princess, it's Gareth from Port Monkey saying, "Port Monkey's out. See you in the next port. I'm going to go on a cruise with her." Bye. Okay, we're ready. Hi, welcome back. Thank you, thank you. Welcome back to you guys, right? Oh, look at these people. We should be going live, huh? Oh, follow the heart. Hi. Desk. Welcome. So I have a princess medallion. And so as I approach the door, it unlocks. It says, "Welcome, Gareth," and has my picture. And I open the door, and then I'm in the cabin.